Welcome to today's video about 10 most dangerous foods for the pancreas. Did you know that the food you are consuming every day might be harming the health of your pancreas? According to the American Cancer Society, around 64015 individuals in the United States are expected to receive a pancreatic cancer diagnosis in 2023. While adults of any age can develop this cancer, the majority of those affected are over the age of 65. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you the 10 most dangerous foods for your pancreas that you're consuming daily without realizing it, and that could lead to serious health problems, including cancer. The pancreas, a discrete organ nestled within our body, wields a surprising influence over our health. It plays a pivotal role in digestion and the metabolism of food, as well as in the production of insulin, a crucial hormone for regulating blood sugar levels. If this humble organ is not well cared for, the consequences can be severe, from diabetes and pancreatitis to even cancer. The risks are real. Want to know how to protect this vital organ and avoid a future of pain and sufferings? Watch this video until the end to be informed before it's too late. Discover now the 10 foods that are slowly killing your pancreas and can stealthily lead to acute pancreatitis or even pancreatic cancer. Believe me, number 7 will shock you. Let's find out what they are. Fried foods. Fried foods are dishes cooked in oil, which means they are deep fried. When foods are immersed in hot oil in excessive amounts, even typically healthy options like vegetables can be transformed into something really harmful to our health. Some examples of fried foods include French fries, chicken nuggets, potato chips, onion rings, and various other crispy dishes. The high fat content in these foods can potentially lead to acute pancreatitis at any time. Pancreatitis refers to the inflammation of the pancreas. Acute pancreatitis is a short-term condition that, with treatment, may resolve in a matter of days. In contrast, chronic pancreatitis, a long-lasting form, can deteriorate over time and result in lasting damage. This occurs when digestive juices or enzymes attack the pancreas. Therefore, you must be extremely careful when consuming fried foods. Refined flour. Another group of foods that poses a significant threat to the health of our pancreas includes those that contain high levels of refined flour. Refined flour is a type of flour that has undergone an industrial process in which all its fiber is removed, leaving behind only carbohydrates with a high caloric content, which can be extremely harmful to the body. Foods such as white bread and industrial pastries, such as donuts, cupcakes, cookies, cakes, and muffins, contain substantial amounts of refined flour. Consistently consuming these flours can place excessive stress on your pancreas. Dairy products. When it comes to dairy products, it's advisable to avoid consuming full-fat options, which contain all the milk fat. Whenever possible, opt for skim or partially skimmed dairy products. However, more research is needed in this area. Full-fat dairy products, such as ice cream, yogurts, chocolate milk, and other flavored milk, are rich in sugars and saturated fats, both of which can have adverse effects on the health of our pancreas. Keep this in mind the next time you consume any of these foods. Processed meats. It's advisable to reduce your consumption of processed meat products, commonly known as cold cuts. Cold cuts are processed meats that contain 3 ingredients that can be harmful to the pancreas: trans fats, high amounts of sugars, and chemical additives like preservatives. Avoid consuming processed meats like salami, pepperoni, bologna, hot dogs, pastrami, bacon, and sausages, as they may increase the risk of certain types of cancer and elevate the risk of acute pancreatitis. A comprehensive study has revealed an association between the intake of processed meat and red meat and a heightened risk of developing pancreatic cancer. Carbonated soft drinks. Carbonated soft drinks, whether sweetened with sugar or artificial sweeteners, are extensively consumed worldwide. However, these beverages are genuinely harmful to health. Sugary soft drinks can significantly elevate blood glucose levels and overstimulate the pancreas, causing it to produce excessive amounts of insulin. On the other hand, artificial sweeteners like cyclamate are known to be genuinely carcinogenic. This debatable high-strength sweetener was employed in the United States within diet products until 1970, when it was prohibited due to findings from animal studies indicating its potential carcinogenic effects. It's wise to avoid carbonated soft drinks entirely, as they can be taxing on your pancreas. Opt instead for fresh fruit juices or the most essential beverage for survival, water. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for good health. Cereals. It's recommended to steer clear of cereals that aren't whole or natural. Sadly, around 90% of the cereals in supermarkets contain high amounts of refined flours and sugars. Regular consumption of these unhealthy cereals over time can increase the risk of not just pancreatitis, but also other conditions like diabetes and hypertension. It's always much healthier to opt for natural and whole cereals that contain fiber in their composition. Fiber reduces the absorption of glucose in our digestive system and prevents hyperglycemic spikes, thus avoiding overstimulation of our pancreas. Chocolate. Chocolate, particularly the sweetened milk variety, can be harmful to the pancreas. It's the added sugars in milk chocolate that pose a risk, as they can dramatically increase glucose levels in the body, potentially overtaxing the pancreas. Whenever possible, choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content and minimal added sugars, as it can offer health benefits without the same risks. Alcohol. Alcohol is a type of beverage that is genuinely harmful to our pancreas. Alcohol is responsible for around 3 million deaths each year worldwide. And every time we consume alcohol, our pancreas becomes increasingly inflamed. Consequently, excessive alcohol consumption can elevate the risk of developing pancreatitis, a highly painful and potentially life-threatening inflammation of the pancreas. By reducing your alcohol intake or abstaining from it entirely, you can contribute to safeguarding your pancreas against alcohol's harmful effects and lowering your susceptibility to chronic pancreatitis or even pancreatic cancer. Foods high in saturated fats. In the realm of dietary fats, there is a group that includes items such as butter, margarine, and lard. These foods are exceptionally high in a type of fat that is genuinely harmful: saturated fats. Regular consumption of saturated fats throughout one's life has been associated with the development of certain types of cancer, such as pancreatic cancer. Consider using other healthier fats for cooking, such as extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil. Olive oil, in contrast to butter, has an anti-cancer effect and is capable of protecting certain organs, including the pancreas. Cheese. Let's move on to another food that is high in fat: cheese. However, it's crucial to note that not all cheeses are harmful to the pancreas. We should exercise caution and avoid consuming aged cheeses in excess. Aged cheeses contain high levels of saturated fats, which can genuinely harm the health of our pancreas if consumed in excess. It's advisable not to include them in your diet more than twice a week, given their extended aging process. Whenever possible, opt for fresher or semi-aged cheeses. These types of cheeses have a higher water content and lower levels of saturated fats. For maintaining a healthy pancreas, it's advisable to focus on a diet rich in protein, low in animal fats, and high in antioxidants. Opt for vegetables, legumes like beans and lentils, and clear soups, as they promote pancreatic health. A plant-based diet can be a particularly safe choice, but moderate consumption of fish and white meat is also beneficial. Non-fat dairy alternatives like oat milk or almond milk can be a pancreas-friendly option, helping you avoid foods that might irritate it. If you're craving something sweet, opt for fruits like blueberries, oranges, cherries, grapes, pineapple, or papaya. In moderation, they make for excellent pancreas-friendly snacks. Just a quick reminder: this video is for educational purposes only, and if you're concerned about your health, always consult your healthcare provider. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider sharing this information with your loved ones so they also will know all the 10 most dangerous foods for the pancreas. If you want to stay informed about health and well-being, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. For more insights on health and lifestyle, you might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.